Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring. Stock number X291A. 44,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, white diamond pearl in color. You do receive the exclusive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler lifetime powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Odyssey seats 8, leather interior. The seats tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. That also seats 3. DVD player with wireless remotes and headphones. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with sunshades for all rear windows. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. And very clean, as you can see. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. This Touring has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large display screen for navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, radio, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console, as well as the spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Odyssey has a 3.5 liter V6, 248 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 60% on tire tread left. For more information on this Odyssey, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.